This video will teach you how to do the green screen effect using iMovie on your iPad. When you have iMovie open, click the plus button and create a new movie. Do not select any videos yet, and at the bottom click Create Movie. First, you have to add in your background photo that you can download in Google Chrome. Be sure to use photos that are licensed for reuse or from Pixabay or Unsplash. First, let's go to Photos, go to Recently Added, and let's add in a photo that we want for our background. I'm going to use this tropical one. Now that I have my photo in, I have to go back to Media and come into Video, find my video that I've recently added, and I have to put in my picture of something green. I filmed a video of a plant. Literally anything that is green will work for a green screen. You could color a piece of paper green, you could use a green t-shirt, or you could use a leaf like I am. Instead of clicking the plus button, we're going to click the three dots and click green/blue screen. Now you'll notice that nothing has changed, but at the top of my screen on the movie, you'll see there's white words that say tap a color to make it transparent. So on the video itself, tap on the color that you would like to make transparent or see-through. I'm going to tap on the leaves. And if you look, all of my leaves have been cut out to make it look like my green screen. So that's it. That's all you need to do to be able to do the green screen effect.